Okay, one other question I'd like to answer today. Are doors with windows safe? And that makes me kind of laugh because we see so many doors that have windows. The primary reason for that is to let in light. This is on a second floor balcony door, so it doesn't necessarily need to have any frosting or blinds on it, unless you like people looking into your house. But yeah, I would assume that a door that has a window in it would have to be built to withstand being open and closed all the time, to resist any movement in the actual sash inside the door. So if you have a cheap door with glass in it, with a window in it, then I'd be a little bit more worried that it could damage it. Especially if you're slamming it. We go back to getting in a big argument with somebody and you're going to leave and slam the door. You could break your window inside your door if it's a really shitty door. So with an Ecoline door, a lot of them have windows in it or lights that allow sunlight to come in and just offers a little bit more natural lighting in a house. They're not gonna get damaged. When it comes to security purposes, it's no different than a window, just a regular window. So if someone is to be that aggressive and want to get in your house, they're going to break the glass, but you're going to hear that. So that's kind of personal preference. To me, I have a door with windows in it. I'm not worried about the security part of it. So it's all preference, but I think if you want to get in that natural light into a space, having a door with a window in it looks really good and it is safe.